Hey, Chris Timmer here from Scarlet Machinery. We're here today to talk about the Nederman S-Series dust collectors. This one here is the S1000 dust collector. It's 10 horsepower, 5,000 CFM, and it's an inside dust collector. All right, so we're going to talk a little bit more specifically about the dump bin and or the bags. So the S-Series dust collector is a great collector. You can hook it up right here. The air comes in, your device comes in, goes through an impeller and shoots here into the collector where the air goes up through these filtration bags, and then the debris falls down into either the dump bin or some plastic bags. Today we're going to talk about how easy this dump bin is to operate. So my friend Jeremiah here is going to help me disconnect the bins. Once it gets full, what you do is we disconnect the bands, and then we go and just easily slide the dump bin out, just like this. It's that easy. And then we're going to pick it up with a fork truck and show you how we dump the bin into a garbage bin or a hopper or something else like that. So here we go. We got our dump bin here. It's full of dust and debris. And what we're going to do is now we're going to pick it up with a fork truck and dump it. There we go. Jeremiah comes with a fork truck. Here's over here on this side, we've got a safety chain right here. So as your fork truck operator slides in, a very important part right here is to hook up the safety chain. So to the fork truck. So here we go. I'm going to hook up the safety chain to the fork truck. That way I know that my dump bin isn't going to fall off the forks. Got to be safe. All right, so then as we pick it up, we're going to go ahead and pick it up. The dump bin. All right, so the dump bin goes up. Now we're going to simulate dumping this into a hopper or a dumpster or something like that. You may bring it outside and dump this into the dumpster. So what you do is right here, we're going to loosen up that pin, right? And then Jeremiah's going to go up. You dump it forward, and then all the debris falls straight out, just like that. It's super easy. When you're done, once it's all dumped out, Jeremiah will tilt it back. Forks come back. Pin goes down and in. We dumped our bin, and we're ready to put it back underneath. Got to undo the safety chain, of course. There you go. Once we're done, we're going to take the dump bin. We're going to roll it right back underneath. You roll it back underneath until the dump bin lines up with the top, or rings. Snap right back into place. Just like that, and we're ready to go again. This is the S1000 with the dump bin. Now, alternatively, if you don't want to use the dump bin, you can always use the plastic poly bags underneath and then dispose of them. This is what these look like. If you don't have the dump bin, then we put the poly bags up underneath, and we wrap them around the base of those barrels and put the same clamp on. Here at Scarlet Machinery, we sell the bags like this, 50 in a roll. As you need them, that's a consumable. Give us a call. Happy to ship them to you. Either way, if you use a dump bin or the poly bags, the S1000 from Nederman is a fantastic solution for an inside dust collector. Give us a call. We're happy to help you.